Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can fully reset your Masterplug Door Chime. Might be useful if you're having problems with it and it's not syncing up properly. So to reset it, we need to hold down the melody button, which is this bottom button here, not the volume, but this one here. We need to hold that one down for 10 seconds. So I'm going to hold it in now. And after 10 seconds, you have to keep holding it, it's going to make a noise. Then we know it's reset. So I'm still holding it. About 5 more seconds. There we go. So it's made that noise now, and now I can let go, and now that has reset itself. So you'll probably find now that it's not going to work anymore. So what you'll have to now do is you'll have to unplug this, keep it unplugged for just 30 seconds or so until the capacitors drain from the inside, and then after about 30 seconds plug it back in, and you've got to press this after the first beep but before the second beep. So this is what it's going to be like. Just going to show you. It's going to beep once. You need to press it now. If it does that, you've left it too late. So let's unplug it again. Drain it. Plug it back in after the first beep. Press this. And now it's paired up. So hopefully by resetting it like that and repairing it, you're going to have fixed the problem. Thanks for watching.